Hi guys, it's me, Tom Altieri, your New Jersey mortgage guy with this week's New Jersey Mortgage Minute. I want to start off by saying the first thing you should do is wash your hands a lot and stay out of crowded places. This is a really bad strain of the flu out there right now. And from what I understand, the flu shot is about 10% effective. So, be careful. Don't get sick. The other thing I wanted to tell you is depending where you're watching this, if you want to watch this on my Facebook application, just click the link below or the link below in the comments and go over there. You enter once. You have an opportunity to win in our contest. We give away something every week. Even though you maybe not even show up next week for the video, you will get you will be entered into the contest from this point forward. So that's a great thing. Hey, interest rates are kind of flat. They're kind of the same as they were last week. But I have a chart in front of me that projects future interest rates, and it's Freddie Mac, Fannie Mae, Mortgage Bankers Association, and National Association of Realtors. And they're all pretty close, and they're all pretty much on the money for the first quarter. Second quarter, they're predicting rates to be from 4.25 to 4 3/8. Remember, these rates are for good loan to values, good good credit scores. Third quarter, 4 3/8 to 4 5/8, 4.5. Fourth quarter looks like it's 4.5 to maybe 4 5/8. These are not historic low rates, but these are fabulous rates in comparison to the years back. So, I mean, housing is still very, very affordable. The problem with housing right now is the lack of inventory. So, we're still having that lack of inventory. So, if you think about selling, get your home on the market, you have a couple of people, chasing after it right away. And you guys that want to buy a house and you're on the bench, make sure you stay in contact with your realtor and jump on a house when it comes on the market because doesn't seem like there's that much opportunity out there. So what I want to let you know about mortgage programs this week is we have an alternative to FHA. It's a 3% down program. You don't have to be a first-time buyer. You can do condos or townhouses. We can do condos or townhouses with the program. In certain circumstances, we can get you a discounted mortgage insurance and a discounted mortgage rate. Great alternative to FHA. FHA, you have that large upfront mortgage insurance premium, and then you have a monthly mortgage insurance premium that never goes away. So the only reason really in this environment right now with a program like we have to go to FHA is if you had a very low credit score, a lower credit score, or you had a very high debt to income ratio. So those are really the only reason you'd use FHA today, opposed to the program that we have with that 3% down. So I just want to leave you today with 3 good reasons to buy a house. And the first one, I think about these all the time. The first one is, why move into, especially if you're paying rent today in a high rent area or paying a high rent today anywhere, why move into somebody's house? You have to change things in there. You have to fix it. You have to try to maintain it. So you're always going to fix and maintain somebody else's property and help build the equity in somebody else's property. It really just doesn't make sense. The next thing is, nobody can knock on the door one day and tell you got to be out or to tell you that the rent is going up 30%. With a home that you buy and own and a mortgage, you're going to have a fixed housing expense, for at least the next 30 years if it's a 30-year mortgage. The only variation will be is when taxes go up or your homeowner's insurance goes up. And the last thing I want to leave you with, the last thought is, whether you rent or you own a house, you're going to pay a mortgage. But when you rent, you're paying the landlord's mortgage. That's the difference. So, that's it for this week. If you want to discuss that 3% down program or you want to get pre-qualified, I'm always accessible at 732-239-1642. You can call me on that number anytime, any day. I'm always accessible. Remember, wash your hands and have a great weekend.